today we have MATLAB and Tam. Zack, are you ready to open it? Yeah. Yay! Look what we have here. So awesome!
Yes.
Dinosaur.
Yeah.
Okay, Zack, open it, open it.
And start with this.
Yeah, Zack the scientist.
And then now.
Awesome. Ooh, is this slime?
Yeah.
Yay!
Gooey.
It's gooey.
Yeah,
It's gooey.
gooey.
Whoa, red slime. What's in there, Zack? Hey, look, there's something in there, Zack. Ooh, look at this guy.
Look at this guy.
Is this a dinosaur?
No.
What is? Okay, this is a. It is a dinosaur, Zack. Where's? Yeah, it is a dinosaur. Okay, let's get his body out.
Let's get his bodies out.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it. Hold it, Zack. Okay. Ew. Do you like slime? Yes, you do. Okay, so this is what we found. Whoa, look at this awesome dinosaur. So cool. Okay, let's open another one.
Slime again.
Oh, do you think it's slime again? Whoa, slime again. Ah!
Oh, it's gonna be something.
Open it, Zack. See what's in there. Is it the same one? Is it the same one?
No.
I think it is.
Yeah.
It's the same?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the slime. Here we go.
So slime.
Yeah, it is the same.
Gooey.
Gooey, gooey.
It's so jiggly. Oh, there's a body. Oh, there's a ruffle.
Okay, so this is what we got. We got the same one. Okay, Zack. Open the fourth one. Open it. Slime again. Yay! More slime.
Is it pink?
Let's see. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure if it's pink. I just think got this.
Is it the same one?
No.
It's a different one. Yay!
That's not the other one.
Mm.
You go. Go away, slime. Gooey, gooey. Slimy, slime.
Get it, Zack. I got the head.
I got the body.
Awesome. And it's a dinosaur. Ah, this is so nice. I love it. This is the fourth toy we got. Okay, this is all the toys we got. Okay, Zack, we came to the end of the video. It's time to say
Bye, guys. Hope you like this video. Bye, Slime King.